Hi, everybody. Welcome. I'm Joan Marie Wormus. I'm chairman of the Utility Commission, and I welcome all of you. We are going to be very honored today because we have our trustees and our mayor, and I want to introduce them to you. We have Trustee Karen Mills, who's not here. She's a senior trustee. Anna Newell, raise your hands. Gary Polafis, Gary Stanton, Karen Arnett, Patrick Cadane, and Patty Richter is our village clerk. And now you have to meet our mayor. Where did he go? Here he is. Our mayor, Bill McLeod. I would like the children, when I call their names, to come up, and then Mayor Bill is going to present you with your awards. I also want to introduce to you Commissioner Trish O'Brien, right here. And we have another commissioner who's not here, Jim Bamberger. I want to tell you a little bit about our energy contest. Children, who is this? The Energy Hog. And this is, what does the Energy Hog do?
Waste energy.
What does the Energy Hog do?
He wastes his energy.
He wastes energy. So this is the guy that they've been writing about, and all of their ideas, all of their creative ideas. The Energy Hog Challenge introduces us to this character, the Energy Hog. And the contest empowers children to take the lead at home by showing parents and their siblings how to make wise energy choices. An energy hog is anyone who wastes energy, like, say, drafty doors and windows, lights left on when we leave the room, right? Long showers. And when you're brushing your teeth, what do? Turn the water. We turn the water off so we can save water. We don't let it run the whole time. Okay. So, I also want to let you know that we will be visiting your classroom at St. Hubert to give 2 other consolation prizes to everybody, because everybody is a winner. You all had wonderful, wonderful essays, and you deserve to have just a little something. So now, I want 5 people to come up here right now. Aaron Govey, Nathaniel, Anthony Spencer, and Stas Zeleniak. And line up here, and the mayor is going to present. Aaron?
Aaron? Congratulations. Tyler? Where's Tyler? Good job, Tyler. Nathaniel. Nice going, man. Anthony. Hey, Anthony. Stas? He's not here, okay.
Stas is not here, but he is also one of the winners. Okay, and now we have our, turn around and look at the camera. These are our 4th place winners. Okay. We have 3 third place winners. I don't think Ayasha is here.
Ayasha?
Is she here?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Ayasha.
Nice going, Ayasha. There you go. Congratulations.
Declan Roach.
Declan. There you go, Declan. And Victoria. Where's Victoria? Congratulations.
Okay. Okay, now you can move and let room for our second place winner, Layla.
It's Layla here. Way to go, Layla. You guys can move. Let's get Layla here. Hey, Layla, is your moment in the sun here.
Our first place winner went out of her way to give us more information. She not only mentioned everything that she learned about energy, saving energy, renewable energy, non-renewable energy, and then she told us a story. So I want our first place winner to come up.
Ava Thomas. Nice going,
Okay,
Ava.
Ava, don't go anywhere. I want. Can you talk loud enough for us all to hear?
Yes, you can do it.
Ava went out of her way to look up some other information, and she told us about Zoran Hermansen. He's an island hero, and I would like her to read what she says, starting with that there, and then read it real loud for the camera.
Energy Island was once like us, using non-renewable energy, until one day a teacher named Zoran Henserman was selected to lead the Energy Independence Project. He loved teaching about environmental studies. He asked the kids how they could save energy. All the kids were on board, but the grown-ups took a little while, and lots of people said, "No way." It took a little while, but they got there by two people asking if they could have windmills, because after all, it is a very windy island. After that, more and more people wanted windmills. Soon after that, everyone was using renewable energy, so that's all I know. I hope you enjoyed my whole essay.
Congratulations.
I was so pleased to hear about Soren Hermansen because I had never heard of him before, so I looked it up. And not only is he an island hero, he's the island of Samso, Denmark, but he won the Nobel Prize in Environment, which is, actually in Denmark it's called something else, but it's the Nobel Prize in Environment to us. So if you want to hear more about him, because he brought windmills to the country, he brought all kinds of ideas, and the whole island now is energy. Energy, isn't that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
We want to thank all the young people who participated, the parents who came out. The young have led the way in the environment for many, many years. I know I have a son who made sure that we recycled everything that could be recycled. He'd check our garbage. He still does, and he's in his mid-40s, to make sure we're recycling. So keep up the good work, Ava. Thank you all. Appreciate all of you.
and also, our commissioner here is also director of our Chamber of Commerce, and she brought all kinds of information about our wonderful village of Hoffman Estates. So there's two different booklets here. The community guide, maybe you'd like to tell them about
Sure. We just have for you today your 2025-2026 Community Guide and Business Resource Directory. We also have our Welcome Home booklet, which is our current listing of all the wonderful restaurants for you to eat here in Hoffman Estates. And thank you so much again for attending our event today, and enjoy the rest of this wonderful event that our Public Works Department has put on for you this morning. Thank you.
And the director of Public Works is our liaison for our commission from the village. So his name is Joseph Nebel.
Want to thank everybody for coming out to our Public Works Open House and obviously receiving the awards. The kids did a great job this year. Appreciate their participation, and the teachers.
They did an amazing job. Everyone worked very hard on their energy essays, and they really enjoyed learning about the different types of resources and how they can do a better job of bringing that into the home and the community. So they enjoyed it a lot, so thank you.
Thank you, everybody.